Okay guys, you absolutely crushed the last Bee Swarm video. So today we're going to be doing another Bee Swarm video. I did get a mic, and I'm going to turn down the audio in the game because that was very annoying last time. So in today's video, in Bee Swarm Simulator, we're going to show you how to get good at the game and to be a little bit like me. First tip is to do challenges. Those really help with getting stuff. Also, I'm gonna give you guys a code in a second. Also, buy hats and boots and all, because those really help. A code for the game. Let me turn off music. Okay, so what's a good idea? Okay, use code 1 capital M, capital L, capital I, capital K, capital E, capital S. This is one of my links. I already redeemed this code. You have to be into the group to redeem this code. So I would suggest getting in the group. The developer doesn't have it named, so I'm gonna show you guys how to get into the group or the club. So if you want to get in this club, you have to go to your profile thing. You have to go to this, go to groups, then you need to go to search, and then you need to search up Bee Swarm. Just type in this right here, Bee Swarm Simulator Club. I'm gonna hold this on for a second if you're trying to do it. You can screenshot this or whatever. I don't really care. The developer on it does not put this in his developer thing, so you can't go straight to it. So you do have to search it up. But this is what you have to do. Alright, so now we're gonna actually play the game. You guys crushed it last time. I think I already said that, but I will definitely make the audio better. So if my mic isn't working, I will not upload this video, but it should be working. So we're gonna claim a hive. My backpack is 60,000 out of 68,750. Definitely do challenges. That's one of the best things to get better at the game. Get a ton of bees. Get a lot of royal jellies because those help a lot. Also, there's a secret boss. If you have to be pretty good and have a ton of bees for this. So I'm gonna go to it real quick. Alright, so if you go up this little flower thing, there's a secret boss in here that's 2,500. It's King Beetle. He's a level 7. I'm gonna get out of here so I don't die. Yeah, so I'm gonna go collect my present. Not this one because I've already collected this present. So I'm gonna go to the other one where the tickets are to collect that present. The grants attack speed for 30 seconds. Trying to see if any of these are good. I don't know what the ant pass is. I do have 109 treats, which is insane. I have 3 royal jellies. Sadly, I can't get anything in the shop. This is insane. The star treat turns a bee into gifted bee. Gifted bees may have a perk. Includes stats bonus for your entire swarm. So that's decent. This is the one that I'm going for, that bee. Alright, I'm gonna collect this. So the better you are, or the more times you do this, it gives you more. I'm gonna open this gift. And this gives you a ton of stuff. So a single mitten, gotta find the mitten. I have 9 royal jellies now, but from that, by the way. The mitten. Okay, so now I have a mitten. I'll put this on my best bee if I can. This isn't my bee swarm. I'm not that good at the game. I also haven't spent any Robux on this game because I got hacked. I don't even know if you guys knew that, but yeah. I kind of made a whole video about it, but like huh. I don't think I can do it on my legendary bee. Younger bees enjoy giving this. Oh, okay. So the younger bees like this, I'm guessing. Okay, now I have all of them equipped. I think it shows when I have this out. Alright, so now we get good. So yeah. Alright, I don't remember how many things I had unlocked. We're gonna try to get the 5th one. We're gonna also defeat the spider real quick. Oh yeah, another tip is if you stand right here. No, my voice. If you stand right here, you actually can't get hit. Sorry if this sound is annoying. It's just raining. Also find someone that has the meteor storm because it really gives you a ton of stuff. I have a friend that actually has the mythical meteor storm. Okay. Okay, and then well, might as well get this free stuff. Yeah, that just killed another one. Yeah, my bees are decent. Not that great, but they're decent. If you join the club, you get that code. You can also use this treat dispenser every single day or something like that. I like to do this. So okay, so we got 15 strawberries. And you can do it every single 2 hours. Yeah, so I got 15 strawberries. What should I get? I think I'm gonna go for this today. I don't know how good it is. So, also, this is where all the good people grind because it's the best spot to grind. There's mine. Oh gosh, I have not done a lot of damage. Yeah, the HP saves, so every single time you hit it, They damage you when you go up close to them, but if you stay in the middle, they don't damage you. Alright, I'm gonna go back to the scientist because I think I have a challenge with him. Oof, I just took a ton of damage. Alright, so we need to do this bear because, okay, this is, oof, we need a ton. What are bomb tokens? Oh, I know what they are. Collect tokens from Firefly. Collect 11 tokens from Fireflies. What? I know what the bamboo field is. It's down here. Fireflies? What's that from? Hey guys, tell me what that's from, because I have no idea what it's from. Here, I'm gonna put on comments again. So guys, just type in the chat or in the description down below or comment. Also, if you want to see more of this and what a firefly thing is, because I have no idea what it is. That's why I made sure to do this, new man. So he actually like throws a snowball at you. If you get frozen, obviously you die. Well, that was kind of a bad move. How much is this? Oof. So another bee is that much. That's a ton of doll hairs. So that's the royal jelly dispenser, which you can buy royal jellies, which is actually really helpful. Okay, that's bringing the blueberries. Okay, well we can do this one really quick. No, we can't. We don't have just 30. Here, we're just gonna do 50. It's just 20 over, you know. It's fine. It's all good. I'm gonna make honey, which is gonna take absolutely no time at all. How many treats will you go to your cart? Gosh dang it. That's a ton, but at least I did the challenge. Alright, and then how many blueberries? 10. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this takes forever. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we have it done. See, guys, just do challenges like this and stuff, so this will really help. I think we can go to that royal jelly thing. Oh, not that. 3 tickets, that's really, really good. 20,000 stuff. So I get royal jellies. Use 3 road jellies. Okay. I'm not sure how to get there. How do you get there? Huh. I think I know now. There's the sprout, by the way. It's a guy. Yeah, it's a guy. I collect so much honey now. It's just like unbelievable, dude. There's gotta be a way. I think I found it. Num num num. Huh, that's weird. I think I know, but it's kind of hard. Okay, so now this is the last thing that we're gonna try to do, and it's get to that area. It's the last thing that we're gonna try to do. I think we actually can, because I have 20 tickets. Yeah. I think we do need 15 bees, to be honest with you. Yeah, and then if we get 15 bees, oh wait, actually that jump is possible. That jump's possible, I think. Is this jump possible? Wait, that could also be possible. Maybe if you had... Wait on, speed. I need speed. Coconut, speed. Where's the player speed? Grant speed and player speed, movement speed for 10 minutes. We need to do the oils. That was a waste of an oil. Great. This is possible. This is doable, I swear. I have 11 V's, I think. I didn't even jump. Okay, that's not possible. Alright, so see you guys in the next video. Hope this helped you, and